So this is one lucky dog right here. One lucky dog. If we can get her to move it.
You gotta bite too.
Yeah.
Blood.
No, it's okay. She didn't draw blood.
Come back. You come back.
I'm fine.
Come back.
She's scared.
You come. Just come
Okay,
back.
it's okay. It's
Come
okay.
back.
No one's gonna.
So they are lovely boys. They're just moving. Nice. This is how we arrange for.
He's thinking about it. Come on, bud. Come on, baby. Bro, pull me up. Holy shit, he's on the bed.
It's a miracle. Hallelujah.
I've been railroaded. Afraid you would have caught bingo.